Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. Do you know what time it is? It's time for a slot pull. Now, security on these ships is very tight, so I'm not sure what I'm going to get away with. If you're watching this introduction, chances are good that I got away with some type of a recording from that slot pull. I do a tour of the casino while it's closed. That's a different video here on the New York channel. But as far as this slot pull, again, if you're watching this, then I have something I can show you. And obviously, if you're not watching this, well, you never knew it existed anyway. So there's that. Let's head over to the casino and cross your fingers. Wish me luck.
Deck 6 is home to a lot of stuff here on the Norwegian Gem, including the Grand Pacific main dining room, the Magenta dining room. We're going to walk through Malting's Beer and Whiskey Bar on our way to the casino today, as well as pass through Shaker's Martini and Cocktail Bar. There's also the Corona Cigar Club, which is like a cigar bar here. There's the Le Bistro French restaurant, and then finally we'll hit the casino, and if we were to go beyond the casino, which we're not going to do in this video, there's a bunch of business meeting rooms as well as the huge Stardust Theater. So as you can see, there's quite a bit here on Deck 6, and you pretty much have to walk through the casino to get to everything, so that's pretty convenient. Alrighty, my New Yorkers, I found this Lucky Buddha slot machine. I've never played Lucky Buddha before, and I guess there's a first time for everything. Hope I'm lucky. I put $200 in. Didn't do too much gambling on this ship. From what I understand, the ships are very tight as far as slot machines. So this is pretty much my only slot spin on the Norwegian Gem. I'm putting $200 in and betting $6 a spin. Let's see what happens, shall we? While there's a nice selection of slot machines here on the ships, there isn't that many as far as numbers are concerned, and considering how many passengers are on the ship, well, you're lucky to get whatever you can. There are a few popular ones like Dragon Link and things like that, but again, those are pretty much taken. There's only like 2 or 3 of them on a ship, so like I said, this is the best one I could find. Hopefully it'll bring me some luck. And of course, as always, I have to take into consideration security and the placement of cameras as far as my slot machine pick, simply because I don't want to be out in the middle of everything recording a slot pull. So I really don't know what the policies here are as far as recording a slot pull on the ships, but unfortunately, it's pretty much tight quarters, and if I get caught and I'm in trouble, well, I can't just get up and leave the ship. It only took a couple of minutes to get down to $116, but I just had a $73 pull, so that's pretty cool. I'm almost back to where I started from.
This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck.
Well, that spin was good for $25. I always like those waving cats. I priced them in Las Vegas. They're very expensive. It depends on where you go, but someday I'm going to pick one up for my house.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Remember, click on the thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Looks like I hit a bonus. So I got a mini jackpot, which is $184. If you ask me, that's not that many. I don't know about you guys, but I'm slowly learning my lesson. I'm going to take my $324.80 and cash out. I said this would be my only slot pull, but perhaps not. Maybe I'll revisit the casino again. And again, if you're interested in seeing more of the casino, I have an entire video on the casino. It was closed when I did it, so we get to see the table games and everything else. So stay tuned for that here on the New York channel. Did you notice the machine asked me if I was sure I really wanted to cash out? In case you were wondering, your cabin key is your rewards card here on cruise ships, and you can also borrow against your room bill. Can be quite dangerous when you walk off your ship for the last time and you get hit with that casino bill. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.